What is going on, guys? So we are back for day 3 of working on this head, and today I am actually going to finalize these ports, kind of get them a little bit more cleaned up on the inside, and then we'll move on to the intake side and we'll go ahead, kind of remove the material that we need to remove on that side, finalize those hopefully, and we will be done with the porting process on this head. So nothing too crazy, but we are just going to finalize, get everything all shaped up the way we want it, do some final measurements on the interior of each port, and then go ahead, finish up on the intake as well, and be done with all of that, and then we can start disassembly on this head. So something that I've noticed when I was doing port matching before, or gasket matching, sorry, I would go ahead and just get the shape on the outside edge here, and not worry about the interior of the port, but it is important to just kind of slowly taper it down into the stock shape of the port and kind of just clear everything up, smooth everything out, and get nice consistency throughout the port, just so we can have a nice smooth transition from stock to ported. It took about 2 hours to do the exhaust side. That was a lot of work getting, I forget what these things are called, like micrometer, I think that's what it is. And then I was just using the calipers to measure the insides. I got the inside basically all the way throughout to be about 25 millimeters in width, and then I didn't really check the height, but we didn't really touch the height or the whatever, so we should be good on the height. So after taking a look at the intake side, there's really nothing crazy to remove. I'm gonna lay this gasket down and just show you guys how close everything is. So it's just very little. Other spots are perfect, other spots have a little bit of overhang. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is actually just clean up the casting flash. You guys can see there's just some really rough spots in some of these ports, so we're gonna get rid of that and just kind of even these things out, make them look decent, make them a little bit smoother on the inside, and then we'll just call it good there and move on. So kind of a boring video for you guys, but I went ahead, got everything all cleaned up, and that was the majority of the work right there. Everything is done on the intake and the exhaust side, so